Verizon router blinking orange is a common issue that many users face, and it can be frustrating when you don't know how to fix it. The blinking orange light on your Verizon router indicates that there is a problem with the device. To solve this issue, you need to understand the causes of the orange light blinking. The orange light on your Verizon router can blink for several reasons, including firmware issues, internet connection problems, and hardware faults. Firmware issues occur when the software that runs your router is outdated or corrupted. Internet connection problems can cause the orange light to blink if your router is not receiving a stable signal from your internet service provider. Hardware faults can also cause the orange light to blink if there is a problem with the physical components of your router. To solve the Verizon router blinking orange issue, you need to follow a series of steps. First, check the power cord and ensure that it is properly connected to both the router and the power outlet. Then restart your router by unplugging the power cord, waiting for a few seconds, and plugging it back in. This can often resolve firmware issues and internet connection problems. If restarting your router does not solve the issue, you need to check for firmware updates. You can do this by logging into your router using a web browser and checking for any available updates. Install any updates that you find and then restart your router again. If the orange light is still blinking after restarting your router and checking for firmware updates, you may need to reset your router to its factory settings. This will erase all of your custom settings, so make sure to write them down before you do this. To reset your router, you need to press and hold the reset button on the back of the device for a few seconds. In some cases, the Verizon router blinking orange issue may be caused by a hardware fault. If you have tried all of the above steps and the issue persists, you may need to contact Verizon for further assistance. They can help you diagnose the problem and replace your router if necessary. In conclusion, the Verizon router blinking orange issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including firmware issues, internet connection problems, and hardware faults. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can solve the issue and get your router working properly again. Remember to always check the power cord and restart your router before trying more complex solutions.